Top affiliate platforms for beginners. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share the top affiliate platforms for beginners, easy to join, beginner-friendly, and with great earning potential. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First one is Amazon Associates. Still one of the easiest platforms to start with. You can promote millions of products, and it's perfect if you're into reviews, tutorials, or list-style content. Next is ClickBank, a beginner-friendly platform offering digital products with high commission rates, sometimes up to 75%. Ideal for niches like health, finance, or self-help. Next is Impact, great for beginners looking to work with big brands. The dashboard is simple, and it includes many popular companies in fashion, tech, and lifestyle. Next is Digistore24, very similar to ClickBank, but with a cleaner interface and solid product options, perfect for promoting through blogs, TikToks, or YouTube videos. Lastly, there is PartnerStack. Focuses on software and SaaS products. If you're into tech or productivity content, this is a solid platform with recurring commissions. That's all for the video. Try any of these platforms and start earning through affiliate marketing in 2025, even if you're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.